Welcome to day 15 with the Reishi mushroom and equilibrium. Our transmission is: I allow myself to be invaded and pervaded by experience itself, and let it be what it is. Not to be afraid of feeling experience, not to be closed off. Wild harvested reishi is here to restore homeostasis, which is the balanced and ideal condition for the body. It helps regulate the forces in the Pashmina formula, so each individual gets what is personally needed for them. It ensures that when we are too highly strung, it calms us down, and when we are too low, we get lifted up. Without holding back or contracting from experience, we allow balance to return us to our center. Reishi holds the medicine of intelligence and regulation. Long used as a tonic for moderating the body, Reishi teaches us the lesson of the striking clarity in the space between extreme states of being. Today's practice is to regulate your breath. When we get upset emotionally, the breath loses its natural rhythm and negative thoughts generate sensations in the body. Be aware and notice where your emotions go. The feeling sensation and the breath are indicators when something is not right. With practice, we can identify changes in breathing patterns and bodily sensation. Both of these are directly related to negativity or mental distortion. By observing bodily changes, you will see the mental distortion. Become adept at seeing the emotion before it takes control. And with practice, the emotion disappears altogether, bringing restored calm. Getting to this position of awareness involves spending time listening to your breath and becoming familiar with the matching sensations in your body. External, uncontrollable events remain, but your reaction becomes one of choice. When we understand the wisdom of observing reality as it is, we are released from the habit of reaction. Make it a practice to hear changes in your breathing. Breathe slowly and deeply, and discomfort will melt away. And now we begin the meditation. My life is filled with spontaneous expansion. Incredible things keep happening in line with my deepest desires and creativity. I drench myself in a permanent and permeating sense of self-worth, allowing it to saturate my being and live in my body as vividly as the blood in my veins. My feelings are valid and safe to express. I come from the very beginning of time. I have infinite knowledge and intuition. I access this extreme knowing by connecting into the ancient source that determines the structure and ratio of all beings. I know my path. I have courage and my path unfolds before me with ease. By noticing my surrounding and what arises, I become a seer, the one who sees. I have heightened perspective and feel certain and sure of which path to take. I have lots of potentized, regenerative energy. I am incredibly healthy and youthful. I exude beauty, presence, and stature. I collapse myself into the holding embrace of Mother Earth, knowing that by virtue of acknowledging her beneficial presence, I will be held and nourished beyond any reckoning. I am protected. I am loved. I am covered. I am supported. I feel validated, accepted, safe. I have lots of time to do everything I want. Time is easy. Time expands to accommodate my needs. I allow myself to let go of unnecessary obligations that do not serve me and to create intentional space for myself. I am a being of great magnitude, ever expanding and moving towards my goals. I allow reality to manifest in its most beautiful form for my life. Everything I want to do is easy, comes easily. It arises spontaneously before me, and it happens with beautiful flow. Manifestation is always easy and natural. My body is a temple resonating with well-being. I let go of all the ways I think my body should be, and welcome in the way my body is, inviting a new standard for beauty, one that encompasses the mystery and divinity of what is. I call upon my rightful and innate power to heal through all the layers of my physical, psychological, and spiritual being. I declare agency over my body, claiming healing as a deep balm throughout every cell in my being. I use pleasure, not pressure, as my dynamic motivating force, and I am able to reframe my daily activities into sacred acts of love and playfulness, rather than overwhelming or mundane tasks. I claim the ability to transmute difficult feelings and impulses into pure energy, to take the negative charge out and use the pure energy for creativity, joy, or anything else I decide. I allow myself to be invaded and pervaded by experience itself, and let it be what it is. Not to be afraid of feeling experience, not to be closed off. I agree to let busyness go, to empty myself of all expectations and obligations, and acknowledge my worth in a being capacity rather than a doing capacity. I embody the many different facets that make up the being that I am, and I accept all parts of myself and the mystery that is me. I wear gratitude extravagantly all over my being and spread it over every molecule of my circumstance and my existence. I douse everything in gratitude, knowing this is the magic that accelerates abundance. I allow deep trust to permeate my life. I feel it in my body, knowing that I am safe and my highest good is forever unfolding in the most beautiful way. I make a sacred covenant with myself to release all judgment, shame, guilt, and limitation, and to accept, honor, and respect myself in all ways at all times. I belong. I belong. I belong. I belong. I belong.